That would make a good fire commercial.
You're making our beer warm. Just having a little tree burning party here at the ranch.
Isn't it amazing that a fire?
Could you imagine like 5 or 6 of those?
I just put that down yesterday.
A fourth fire? Yeah. No kidding.
Glad you didn't leave that
too. God.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, that's pretty intense.
Anybody want to roast marshmallows?
I don't care who you are, that's all.
Yeah, that was. You got another one?
I wish the hell I did.
You got the pink one.
God, I wish